Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. Today we are looking at the latest Windows 11 25H2 update that is released in December 2025. This is the Patch Tuesday update and it's also the last official update for Windows 11 25H2 this year. I already have this build installed on my PC, so I will show you what's new, what's fixed, and whether it's worth installing or not. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. This update comes with the build number 2620074462 and also known as KB5072033. It's not a feature update. Instead, it focuses on security improvements, bug fixes, and the continued rollout of the features that Microsoft started pushing earlier this month. As always, Microsoft have published the full details about this update on their official support website. I will mention this official link in the video description so you can verify everything yourself. So here is the important note. Microsoft has also confirmed that there will be no separate feature update in December, which make this the final servicing update for 2025 on Windows 11 25H2. Another important reminder from Microsoft is about the Secure Boot certificate expiration, which they are actively preparing for behind the scene. Also keep in mind, Microsoft Store apps are no longer updated automatically with the Windows update, so you may want to manually check the store after installing this build. This update includes multiple security fixes, and Microsoft recommends installing it as soon as possible. If you want the full list of security vulnerability and CVs, Microsoft linked the security update guide directly from the official KB page. One of the most noticeable fixes in this update is related to File Explorer. Previously, many users experienced a white flash when opening folders or switching tabs. With this update installed, that issue is finally fixed, and honestly, it makes the File Explorer feel much smoother. If you are using a Copilot capable PC, Microsoft fixed an issue where the Copilot windows wouldn't appear properly when sharing content. Now it correctly opened in the foreground, which is how it should have worked for the start. There is also a fix for the networking issue where external virtual switches could lose their physical network connection after restarting the system. This mainly affects virtual machines and servers, but it's important to fix for those who rely on virtualization. Another small but important change is in PowerShell 5.1. When using invoke web request, Windows now shows a security warning prompt, giving you a chance to cancel risky script execution. This update also continues rolling out the features that Microsoft announced earlier this month. Just like you could go to Setting, Advanced Setting, and Virtual Workspaces, dark mode support in File Explorer like copy, paste, or rename. Also improve the taskbar animation when switching apps. Drag tray improvements also included multi-file sharing, nearby sharing toggle inside the setting. These aren't brand new features, but they are now reaching more users with this update. There is still one non-issue that hasn't been fixed yet. On the lock screen, password icon may appear invisible. The option is still there, but you just might not see it clearly. So the question is, should we install this update? Since this is a security focused Patch Tuesday update, I do recommend installing it, especially if you are already on Windows 11 25H2. You can install it by going to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. So that's everything new in Windows 11 25H2 December 2025 update. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more Windows updates and tips. Thanks for watching ITPK and I will see you in the next one.